Sigurado lang siguro kami kasi medyo pagod pa yung token text siguro from the last campaign. Hanggang game 7 yata yung ulit, tapos game 6 yata yung designs, hanggang just not sure. And then medyo kakabalik lang din nila. So, but a win is a win and we will take it. Nakita naman natin kung ano yung game. At least na siya yung team na nagtakot sa mga quarters. And pareho din, mabilis, mga bata, mga tumatakbo, hirap 3 points, so medyo hawing. Malaking bagay ito, as you said, we get this string of wins. Medyo nasa gitna na tayo, as yung kalahati na nga kami. I think 5 games na yata na mistake yun. And magandang pondo yun going into the latter stretch of our campaign. So hopefully we pass against another difficult test on Wednesday. We will prepare for that for sure.
So you think you get an advantage considering si Reno Shine, wala si Go, wala si Kako, kulang siya sa big man and ano yung Kailan, hindi siya nagdaro?
Well, ayos wala silang base. Grabe, 130 yung score. So, parang hindi rin naramdaman. I mean, magaling yung staff nun. Especially Coach Jay, he's been in the business for a very long time. But we will be ready. I think, kahit may weakness sila, may mag-step up eh. Yung nangyari nga kanina. May mag-step up dun sa team na yun. And again, going to the battle, you will prepare for the best. Kahit, let's say, hindi pa sure, para mag-show up yung mga picks nila, pero we will prepare for the best and we will give our best din. Yun yung competition.
Actually, sabi nga ni Coach, sila yung nag-knockout sa inyo nung quarterfinals. So Wednesday para we lang po this game na motivation na to get back at the get your fourth win sa Pilipino.
Yun nga, masakit sa amin yun nung na-knockout kami sa quarter, so kailangan namin bawian to. Kung ano man maging preparation ng mga coaches, so yun, stick lang kami siguro.